Good day, I am Melabeth Sain from BS3L. Today I am going to discuss about the four types of sentences. But before that, let us define first what is a sentence. So, sentence is a set of words that is complete. It contains a subject and a predicate. So, in short, sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought or idea, typically with a subject and verb, and it ends with punctuation. So, there are four types of sentences according to use. These are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now, let's discuss the first type of sentence according to use, which is the declarative sentence. So, when we say declarative sentence, it is a sentence that makes a statement. It asserts something is true or gives information, and it ends with a period. We have here an example of declarative sentence. First, the sun is shining. So it is an example of declarative sentence because it tells us something about the weather. It's a simple statement of fact. We can observe this and confirm whether it's true or false. Second example, my favorite color is blue. So this sentence expresses a personal preference or opinion. It's still a statement. It tells us something about the speaker's taste and it ends with a period. Note that opinions, even though subjective, are still considered statements in this context. Last example for declarative sentence is the dog barked loudly. So it is an example of a declarative sentence because it gives us information about what the dog did. So the sentence describes an action and it gives us information about the dog did. It's a simple statement of fact that could be observed. Let's come now to the second type of sentence according to use, the interrogative sentence. So, interrogative sentence are questions that seek information or clarifications. They typically end with a question mark. For example, are you feeling well? Where is the library? What time is it? Where are you going? So, for the first example, are you feeling well? This question seeks confirmation about someone's health. The verb are is used to inquire about the subject's current state. It's focusing on a yes or no answer, but the answer will still provide information. Another example, where is the library? So these questions ask for location of the library. The question word where points the desired information to the library's location. Next, what time is it? So it asks for specific information about the current time. So it is often used when someone needs to know the time to plan their schedule or activities. Last example is where are you going? So it asks about someone's destination or plans. So it is used to show interest in someone's activities or to ensure their safety. So let's come now to the third types of sentences according to use, which is the imperative sentence. So imperative sentence gives a command or makes a request. It tells someone to do something. They usually end with a period, but they can also end with exclamation point to show stronger emotion or urgency. So basically, imperative sentence gives a command request and they end with a period or sometimes exclamation point if expressing strong emotion or urgency. Here are some examples of imperative sentence. We have first, close the door, stop running, and let's go for a walk. For the first example, close the door, this is a direct command. It's a blunt instruction implying the speaker has authority or expects immediate compliance. For the second example, stop running, this is a command expressing urgency or warning. The exclamation point emphasizes the strong emotion. And for the third example, let's go for a walk. It is an example of imperative sentence because it is a suggestion presented as command. Now let's discuss the fourth and last type of sentences according to use, the exclamatory sentence. So when we say exclamatory sentence, it expresses a strong emotion or surprise. It conveys excitement, astonishment, or other intense feelings. It always ends with an exclamation point. So in short, an exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotion or surprise and it ends with exclamation point. So for example, what a beautiful day. I can't believe it. Look out. That's terrible. So, for the first example, what a beautiful day. This expresses strong positive emotion, showing delight or happiness. So, another example, I can't believe it. So, this conveys disbelief or shock. Next is look out. So, this expresses warning. Last example, that's terrible. So this expresses strong negative emotion. That would be all for my discussion. I know it's short, but I hope you learned something. Thank you.